Did you know there's a secret language in the world of relationships, a language that when deciphered can completely transform the way you connect with women? Today I'm going to reveal to you the 7 secrets that women adore but rarely admit. Get ready for a fascinating journey into the feminine universe. Imagine being able to read her mind, understand her deepest desires, and know exactly what to do to win her over. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not, and that's exactly what I'm going to teach you today. But first, I need you to do something for me. If you truly want to uncover these mysteries and become irresistible, hit the like button right now. Not only does it help me reach more men like you, but it's also your commitment to applying what you're about to learn. Done. Great. Let's go. The magic of pre-intimacy touch. Music first secret. The magic of pre-intimacy touch. Have you ever wondered why so many dates end in frustration even when everything seemed perfect? The answer might literally be in your hands. Women love a good massage before intimate moments, but few will openly admit it. Why? Because for women, emotional connection is just as important as physical connection. A massage isn't just about physical relaxation, it's a way to say I care about you without using words. It shows you're willing to invest time and energy in her pleasure. Men who understand this have a huge advantage. They create an environment of trust and intimacy that goes far beyond the physical. But be careful, I'm not talking about needing her like dough. The key is in the subtlety and paying attention to details. Watch her reaction, listen to her breathing. A massage is like a dance, and you need to learn it's the art of respectful flirting. Music rhythm second secret. The art of respectful flirting. Many men think women don't like to be flirted with. Big mistake. We love it, but with one crucial condition: it has to be done with respect and intelligence. Flirting is like a game of chess. Every move counts and strategy is essential. A well-executed flirtation makes a woman feel desired but not objectified. It's a delicate balance between showing interest and keeping the mystery. Use humor, offer sincere but subtle compliments. The secret is to make her smile while keeping her intrigued about your true. The power of touching her hair. Music intentions third secret. The power of touching her hair. It may seem simple, but there's a science behind it. The scalp is extremely sensitive, full of nerve endings. When you caress a woman's hair, you're not just touching strands, you're triggering a cascade of pleasurable sensations. But timing is everything. This gesture should be reserved for moments of intimacy when a connection has already been established. Done at the right moment, it can be the difference between being just another guy and guy. A hand on her back. Fourth secret. A hand on her back and public. This seemingly simple gesture carries deep meaning for women. It conveys protection, care, and above all, pride in being with her. It's a nonverbal way of saying we're in this together. The key here is subtlety. It's not meant to be possessive or controlling. It's a gentle presence, a constant reminder that you're by her side, ready to support her. This kind of body language speaks directly to a woman's instinct to seek out a reliable present. Music being her hero partner. Fifth secret. Being her hero. Pay close attention because this is crucial. Women, and I repeat, love when a man stands up for them in tough situations. But here's the catch: they rarely admit this openly. Why? Because we live in an era of female empowerment where many women feel the need to be strong and independent all the time, but deep down there's still that primal desire to have a protector. I'm not talking about saving damsels in distress. I'm talking about small gestures, politely stepping in when someone is rude to her, backing her up in an argument, even if it's just with a glance of solidarity, or simply standing by her in uncomfortable situations. When you do this, you activate something deep and ancient in her. You become in her eyes the one she can trust, the one who will be there when times are tough. And believe me, that's incredibly the power of dreams. Attractive six secret. The power of dreams. Ever heard that dreams are the language of the unconscious? Well, use this to your advantage. Telling woman you dreamed about her is like opening a direct door to her heart. When you mention that she appeared in your dreams, you're saying between the lines that she occupies your thoughts even when you're not conscious. This makes her feel special, desired, and, above all, present in your life in a deep and meaningful way. But execution is key. Don't make up elaborate or bizarre dreams. Keep it simple and sincere. Something like, no, it's funny, I dreamed about you last night. We were just chatting in a cafe, but I woke up feeling so good. That's enough to plant a powerful seed in her music. The charm of a beard. Mind. Seventh secret, the charm of a beard. Now, if you've ever wanted to grow a beard, I've got great news for you. Many women find beards incredibly attractive, but few will admit it. A beard isn't just facial hair, it's a symbol of masculinity, maturity, and, believe it or not, fertility studies show that women tend to associate men with beards with qualities like strength, protection, and the ability to provide. But not just any beard. A well-groomed beard shows that you care about your appearance without being overly vain. It's the perfect balance between rugged and refined, and most importantly, it shows that you're not afraid of your Emmy masculinity. Now, before I reveal the special bonus, I promised I want you to take a moment and reflect. How many of these secrets did you already know? How many have you applied in your life? If the answer is few or none, don't worry. The important thing is that now you have this bonus secret music knowledge. And here's the bonus secret, something that may seem simple but has a profound impact. Tight hugs and forehead kisses. Sound silly, right? It's not. These gestures carry immense emotional significance for women. A tight hug isn't just physical contact. It's a way of saying, I'm here for you. You're safe with me. It's a demonstration of strength and, at the same time, affection. The forehead kiss is pure gold. It conveys protection, affection, and, of all respect. It's like telling her you're precious to me without saying a music conclusion word. Now imagine mastering all these secrets. Imagine being able to read between the lines to understand what she really wants even when she doesn't say it. You would become practically irresistible. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use this knowledge wisely, always respecting her boundaries and desires. Here's the crucial point. What are you going to do with this information? Will you continue doing the same things expecting different results? Or will you take the next step and truly transform your love life? If you've made this far, I know you're different. I know you're ready for this change. That's why I want to extend a special invitation to you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it now. Why? Because this video is just the tip of the iceberg. I have so much more to share with you, secrets that can revolutionize not just your relationships but your entire life. By subscribing, you're not just gaining access to more content, you're joining a community of men determined to become the best version of themselves. Men who understand that true power lies not in manipulation but in genuine understanding and connection. And remember, knowledge without action is useless. So I challenge you to apply at least one of these secrets this week. Maybe it's the massage, the respectful flirt, or even just that tight hug. Do it and watch the changes unfold. I guarantee you'll be surprised by the results.